Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I will go ahead and share with you what I got from Target, and also I'm gonna go ahead decluttering my closet because I lost 70 pounds and all my clothes are too big for me. So I hope you're gonna like this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. نقعد حن متأخن إيدن بحال لو ما عندك عني أب تارجت أب كليرانس جزء هو مسخن شركة جبرة مسوق عني ناتي أرماديو مالتي خطريو إيه مهنيات كله غداون تيسلا رجف حني كتفتو أز فيديو حتى سفا جبر يعني اللي حواتي. Okay guys, I went shopping to Target and Dollar Store. I did not get a lot of things from Dollar Store, but I got special things from Target that I never try. It's new things. I hope you're gonna like it. I do find a really good products. It's Mrs. Meyer's, and it's fall scent apple cider. This thing you don't find it other times except it is fall time, and it was $4.99. Sorry, $3.99 is $1.98 right now. It's a dish soap. So I got 3 of them. No, 4 of them. I have one more right there. And this one is hand soap. Same scent for fall. Apple cider, you don't find this all year long except it's in fall time. It was also $3.99. Right now it's $1.98. I got 2 of them. I love the smell of apple cider. It's amazing. And I'm obsessed with the Lysol toilet cleaner. This thing is clean so good, and it's my regular now. So I got 2 of them. I keep using it for a few months now. I love it. They also have a Glade candle for fall. I love fall candles, you know me by now. And this one is by Glade. It's let me see. It is pumpkin caramel spice. This smells so good. It was $7.49. Right now it's $3.74. It's in clearance. So if you love fall candles like me, you better grab it now. 2 of them. And I'm gonna add some more if I got them again, because they had only two of them, so I just picked them up. You know how Glade is good. زخبركم حوات أبسيل مالتيو زي الشمعة شو منطقش زنبرة نب 13 7 4 تناوري دومو ترى كم ناتي ناي فول كاندل تفوتو تخونكم قلتفكم جراب جبويكم كيتودع خلو كالخاني زي محت أباقحوت 13 9 جعتن زنبرة كشن 9 شو منتن كوينو لا تارجت مالتيو سو 4 كزي زناي إذا محت أباقاني السوق مالتيو كتعمل عتي جانو نايفول كم زي سبايس قال ما ليدي جانو سو تفتو تخونكم كماي حج جراب كبر وغي تودع خلو. Sorry guys, I use voiceover because my kids are playing and they've been loud, so I had to remove the original audio. إذا ناي تويلت محت أبخاني إذا لا يصول ناي بحق فتي يوم مالتيو بقرشين 7 جعتين أنا حنت واقعة كمان 4 جزء مالتيو مليسا خاني إذا الريفيل ناي all purpose كاني كندي ببحر زجوزو نتريفيل جزء يوم مالتيو حد 4 قال ملأ الكخوني. I also got all purpose refill instead of I buy it individual. Okay guys, I fit 2 terry jeans, as you can see. I have a little bit here, but as an Zanza, I'm just, you know. So none of these clothes is fit me. This is 2 extra large. This is 2 extra large. Most of my clothes are from JCPenney. That's what I like to buy. This is a tag that I do love so much, but I'm not gonna fit to it anymore. Especially there is a cold is coming, so this might be a blessing to some people that who need it. So all this is like 1 extra large. Yeah, extra large, and this is 2 extra large. This is good for winter time. This is for summer, and this is African print that I love so much. It's 2 extra large each. This is pants. Oh, you know. This is from JCPenney, like white. This is a very nice. I used to love it a lot when I was thick, that I can fit to it. So I will go ahead, drop this off to Goodwill tonight. Actually, this one is I never wore. It's brand new. I just got it, and I don't get a chance to wear it. This is from JCPenney also. It's a nice pant. This one is my favorite pant, but it's too big. I can't wear it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate this one also. This is a nice pant for office. When I was working in an office, that's what I used to wear mostly. It's one of my favorite pants. This is also from JCPenney. It's from Soho. It's a nice one, but too bad that I can't wear it anymore. Guys, I'm filming in here because it's been raining, and this one is also a nice pants for work. I used to wear it when I used to work. My room is a little bit dark, and this room is much brighter than other rooms, so that's why I'm filming here. So I'll go ahead and put this in a plastic bag and donate it. Okay ladies, it feels good to clean the closet and leave a new place for my new clothes. This was too many things inside that I don't use anymore, so I am so glad that my closet feels like open now, and then I can't wait to purchase a new clothes for me. This is the first one I purchased, the jeans I just showed you. It's size 30, so it looks good on me. So I can't wait to purchase more clothes. باري حواتي كله زي اللي نلعله وحج بوت على المالتيو حدش تجزئه نمجمريا غزي زي جنس قطر 30 اخيلون مالتيو ياي finally موزي حتى فيديوز انجوي كنا اكونا تسفا እንዳገበርኩ አዝመት ጊዜ خصع ዝረይከን ተሐንቀኛ I love you all so much. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. I love you all so much.